Debbie, Carrie, Richard, and Diana arrive at DFW Airport to pick up the spaceship that was left for them by members of the U.S. Space Force.
There it is. And it will soon be ours again.
This is the document confirming the transfer of ownership back to you and your mothers.
Thank you, General. We shall inspect the ship to make sure it is in proper condition.
All the electronics seem to be in proper shape. Richard and Diana, report.
The engine and teleporter room appears to be in good order.
So what are we going to do with this ship now that we have it? And what will it be called again? The USS Sandy or the USS Carl Sagan?
We will call it the USS Sandy again. Someone is calling.
Debbie, I assume you have gotten back our old spaceship.
Yes. Richard and Diana will dismantle the time machine they inherited from James and then reinstall the time travel device in this ship. It is necessary in order to travel between the stars.
The time travel device we installed in this ship when we first built it enabled the ship to travel not only back and forth in time, but also very far in space. It worked by passing this ship through an artificial wormhole, allowing us to travel between the stars rapidly without violating the limit of the speed of light as defined by Einstein's theory of relativity.
Once we get the time travel device installed again, we can try for interstellar trips. Right, including a trip to the Sabari homeworld to confront their leader about his being a communist dictator. Let's not jump to conclusions, Carrie. I think Rush Scumpa Jr. is lying about the situation, just as his father was known to be a liar to promote his politics. I do think we need to talk directly to the Sabari leader to get at the truth about the matter.
Why are you here? You must know I am still angry over you and Charlie selling this Smith-Wilson mansion right out from under me without my agreement.
Look, I'm sorry about that. But with our daughter Janet and your husband James both dead, we thought it best to move out of that place because of the memories associated with it. We thought you would understand. And I'm still willing to offer you half the money we got from selling the mansion.
I suppose that would be fair compensation. It's just that unlike you, I wasn't yet ready to let go of the place. Your forcing the issue on me was what hurt. So how much are you offering me?
$4 million. The total worth of the property was over $8 million. It's Charlie.
Whitney, we have a problem. The new owners of the mansion found the 2 graves in the backyard, and they say that is unacceptable. They want us to remove those graves and rebury the bodies in a proper cemetery. And they want us to pay for the burials.
What? But those graves belong to your Aunt Jennifer and my grandmother Rose. They were both buried near where they died. How dare those new owners disrespect the memory of our relatives?
If we are not willing to move the graves, they say they won't keep the mansion, and they will want their money back. So what are we to do?
Looks like you have a problem. One you wouldn't have faced if you had listened to me, Whitney.
Yes, I see your point. I'm sorry, it seems we made the wrong choice after all. Do you want to live in the mansion again?
Of course I do. You take it back, and have us live there again. I will renew our friendship. I was already missing James. Your forcing me to leave the mansion only made me feel worse, not better.
So be it. Penny and I have agreed to take back the mansion. She and us will live there again.
All right. I'm just so irritated at how petty those people are. How are a couple of graves on their property so offensive to them? That is its history.
I know. At least we value that history because of what it means to us.